baby.
Hey, baby.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
And how was your day?
Very hectic.
I hope you didn't get to miss me too much.
You know I miss you surely now.
Aww. Shindara, please come. Babe. So this is the girl I told you about. Shindara.
Okay.
Shindara, it's my husband. So babe, I want to show Shindara to the room. I'll be back soon, okay?
Okay.
Shindara, please let's go. Shindara! 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 Ah! Is this how useless you are? Will you sit up? You want to be sleeping while I do all the house chores for you. Look at how she's looking at me.
This is just for 13 months.
Are you older? Get up! What is wrong? Get up from this bed, right? Get up! Get up! Yeah, what's going on here?
I don't know. I just hate that crying.
Shindara, why are you crying? What is wrong with you? I'm talking to you, madam. Why are you crying? Are you sure I'm talking to? Huh? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Shindara, come back here. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you, this girl? Shindara! 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 Open this door, Shindara! Open this door! Okay, no problem. You want to be stupid? My house. How? What the heck? See the way she's even looking at me. Are you okay? Ah! Hey. What? Are you okay? See the way you bring inside my own house. Stand up! Shindara! Shindara! Hey, you're acting, Abi. You know how to act very well. Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Stand up! Shindara! 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 Open your eyes, Shindara, and stop all this acting of yours. Shindara! Shindara! Shindara!